Hello, my Car Wars fans. Since I was one of the first to post an unboxing for the Double Ace, I figured I would be the last to post an unboxing of my 233rd shipment. That will be a thing, 233rd. So, look at sharp. Thank you to Steve Jackson Games. Let's see what kind of cool loot I have in here. I have a list of things, but you know, it's like reading instructions. What's the fun of that? Let's just open it up and see what we get. Look, I haven't cut myself yet. Ta-da! Let's see if I'm in frame. Oh, I am. That's beautiful. Ta-da! Look, peanuts. T-shirt. Steve Jackson. Look at that. It's labeled nicely. And, oh, yeah, that's a good t-shirt. I think that is the Super Flash, which I painted mine gold. That's very cool. Look, another t-shirt. This is the Slipstream. Pretty excited. I tell you, I can't say how excited I am. I can't. A, it's done. Yay. Yay for me. I'm going to put 233rd on the back of these. Let's see what else we got. Oh, this was oh, they're all large. Did I get all larges? Yeah. I didn't get any extra large shirts, love.
You did large?
Yeah. And this is the one I was looking forward to the most. So I can look all official and then if I decide to run demos. That's a golf shirt with the AADA logo on it. Very classy, very cool. All right. Let's see what else we got. Another pack of dice, because you know, we can never have too many of those. The rec counters. Let's see what's in there. Oh, there's tape. Sharp. Oh, I got to see him first, but very cool. Goes that way. Clear bases. Upside down, they'll get painted up. Oh, this is the Avalanche. I think that's what they call it. Very cool. Hey, love? Yeah. I'll show you in a minute. That's my wife's favorite car. She painted a big D on the hood. D for Denise. And clear bases. Uncle Al's upgrade pack. I heard good things. Here's everything that comes in it. I know, read that quick. Rules pack and all the cards. We will go through the actual what's in there on a later day. Oh, these must be my token, the extra. Counter rec tokens that were supposed to be in the double ace box. That did not get included. Yep. That's like class act on Steve Jackson Games for taking care of that. Ooh, much lauded after. That needs, yep. Very nice. I like the layout. I like the layout mucho. Very gonna be fun to look at that one. And what could this be? Oh, a peanut catcher. Another rule set. Just like that came in the double ace box. Another set of those. Another set of cards. More terrain. More bits. So yay. We'll sort that later. And now, mini set 2. And no deadline to get these painted, but I'll get them hopefully soon. And the rule set. And the cards themselves. Ooh, that one's very ogreish, I think. This one reminds me of the... There's another one in set 2, I think. I'm painted up like a Ninja Turtle. They should paint up pretty quick. Some faster than others, some have more detail than others. That is set 2. And set 4. Oh, see? Always put the lid on it. I almost lit up my... Yep. Lot of knives, man. They don't go well. Always put the cap back on, and I did not. Safety first, kids. And you set 4. Wow. That's... Yeah, oh, here. That one is amazing. They're all really good. And now I have more bases than I know what to do with. Oh, I like that. There's these little circles in the... Probably can't see it on camera, but yes, sir. This one is. Oh wow! Look at the size of those tires. Brr. Brr. And that end of the box, and also the end of the video. Bye, everybody. Drive offensively.